Hello everyone, today I got Cordell Maddox with me.
Hello.
And we're going to be doing a preview review of the hot chicken tenders, which is going to be in Cooking with Christal Cookbook number 2, coming soon. So we got this here, and it's a little bit spicy, and it's made with, how did she make this stuff? It is top secret, but...
But without revealing too many secrets away, it's breaded, and then with the top secret sauce, okay? It's all mixed together and seasoned nice, and it's all just baked, and then here we go.
Cool. So there's no like bunch of oils being used in this. Mm-hmm. It's pretty like natural. That's
My
cool.
mom's a pretty healthy person, so.
And it's going to be coming in the future cookbook, so we're giving you guys the early sneak peek of this. I'm excited, so I'm just going to get right into this and just grab one of these here.
Absolutely.
It's going to be a little messy, but chicken's got a really nice like texture to it.
Oh jeez. It's always better to eat with your fingers.
Mm-hmm.
Connect with your food.
Oh, that's so good.
Mm-hmm.
I like things that are like slightly spicy. I also like things that are very spicy, but this is like right on the like not too bad, but it's got a kick to it.
It has like the perfect like crunch, yet it just kind of melts and kind of just like falls off together.
Mm.
It's moist yet crunchy at the same time.
The texture is so good. And the secret sauce.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Man, look at that.
Mm.
And the exterior is just like, it's like two parts. They got the breaded part and the chicken on the inside, but they kind of melt together. The texture on that's so good.
All right.
So good.
Just falling off. Mm.
Yeah, like I can tell there's a lot of protein in this because there's actual chicken. Sometimes when you get like deep fried stuff, it's just like a lot of batter and grease and all that stuff that's not good for you. This, you can feel the chicken and it feels like you're actually eating chicken. So,
Oh yeah.
that's amazing. Woo.
I'd pay good money for this at a restaurant.
Oh yeah, me too, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, those are also getting a 10 out of 10 because, wow, it felt like actual chicken. It was breaded perfectly, and that sauce was amazing. Like,
Yeah, on like a heat scale, it's not even that bad either. I'm not a huge fan of spice, but I mean, on a heat scale, I'd say I put that even at like a 4 or like, 3 or a 4. Maybe.
it's not that intense,
No.
yeah. And personally, I love spicy things, and this gives me enough satisfaction of the spice, but someone like Cordell can handle it, and he's not grossed out by it.
Yeah, and it doesn't ruin the flavor. The spice doesn't ruin the flavor, and that's extremely important.
Oh,
Extremely
definitely.
important.
Goes back to what I said, it feels like you're eating chicken, and that's super important. So, easy 10 out of 10. This is a sneak peek of the new Cooking with Christal Cookbook number 2.
Absolutely.
So whenever that drops, go check it out. I'll update the link in the description whenever you can go buy that. So definitely go check it out. Thank you for watching.